Hey, what's up? Smells like something good already.
Hi, yes, you're right. I am putting together a really lovely recipe today.
Okay, I see carrots, peas, bell peppers. Are we painting a rainbow or cooking lunch?
Why not both? Today we're making oats and tofu veggie patty. Colorful, cozy, and surprisingly filling.
Surprises are good. Can't wait to see.
These veggies are going into the steamer for about 10 to 15 minutes.
So, steam till they surrender?
Not surrender, cooperate. We want them soft, but still a little crunchy. Nobody likes sad, mushy vegetables.
Ah yes, crunchy veggies. The overachievers of the food world.
Look at these soft, colorful, still fresh. This is exactly what we want.
They actually look happy. Is that a thing?
When veggies keep their color, they keep their nutrients too. So yes, happy vegetables. Now I'm adding crumbled tofu, just breaking it gently with my hands.
Wait, tofu again? You really trust this stuff?
Tofu is like a good supporting actor. Calm, reliable, and packed with plant protein.
So, tofu is the responsible friend in the group.
Exactly. Now we mash everything gently with the back of a fork, no overdoing it. Here comes oats powder. This is our binder.
No flour at all.
No white flour, no wheat flour, just oat cider, wholesome, and they hold everything together beautifully.
So these patties are basically wearing yoga pants?
Flexible, but strong. Now we shape them gently into patties.
Mine would all come out, emotionally uneven.
That's fine. Homemade food doesn't need to be perfected, just needs to be made with care.
Wow, that felt like life advice.
Let's quickly make a dip. Tofu, garlic, yogurt, lime, and salt into the blender.
Garlic and lime? That sounds bold.
Creamy, tangy, and fresh. This dip balances the patties beautifully.
So basically, the cool friend who calms everyone down?
Heating the pan, brushing it lightly with oil.
I like how gently you said brush. Very respectful.
Once the pan is hot, the patties go in. Slow cooking is key here.
Listen to that sizzle. That's the sound of patience paying off.
Golden and crispy outside, soft on the inside, that's what we're aiming for. And we're ready to plate warm patties. Creamy dip on the side.
I'm not even hungry and I suddenly feel hungry.
That's the aroma doing its job. If you enjoyed this recipe,
hit like before these patties disappear.
And subscribe for more cozy, vegetarian recipes.
Because crunchy veggies deserve appreciation too.